Kung wala kang iPhone at wala ka ring ipon, bagay sa'yo to. Yo guys, so today let's talk about this super sulit find. A 0.45 wide angle lens with macro lens. Grabe 'di ba? Pero legit, it actually works. So first, let's talk about the wide angle lens. If you love taking group pics or landscape shots, ang hassle minsan ng limited frame, right? But this lens, mas malawak ang view. Kaya no need to step back ng todo para lang magkasya lahat. See the difference? Di ba ang solid? It makes your shots looks more pro and cinematic kahit phone lang ang gamit mo. Now, let's move on sa macro lens. This one is for close-up shots. Like sobrang lapit. If mahilig ka sa nature photography or product shots, ang linaw ng details bro. Look at that. Kita mo yung texture? As in every detail captured, and for the price, sobrang worth it. So if you wanna level up your phone photography without spending thousands, this 100 plus lens is the way to go. Super sulit, easy to use, and compact pa. So ano masasabi nyo? Worth it or what? Comment down below. Peace out.